Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see hours played on your PS5. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, go ahead, access your PS5. Once you have access, all you gotta do is tap on this profile icon on top right section, and once you have done so, you will be able to access this options right over here. Go ahead, tap on this option of profile. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface. Choose this section of games, and here you go. You will find all of the recent games that you have played, and you can see on the left side the hours played. So let's say, for example, this is showing the hours played for your PS4. If you want to simply choose the PS5 and check out the hours played, going to tap on this filter icon beside on the right side. Upon doing that, you can see we have plenty of options coming up, and here in the section you can see this option of a platform before genre, right? Tap on it. You will be able to choose from this two options of PS4 and PS5. Simply go ahead, choose the PS5 option right from over there, and you will be able to check out all of the games that you have played over there, and on the left side the hours played accordingly. So, and that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.